last spin. Oh, I got 9s at least. But still, this is not good. Come on, we need balls. More balls, yes! 2. That saved us. We are at Jackson Rancheria playing Magic Pearl on the nickel Denom, $1.25 of the spin, and Greg triggered the hold and spin. Yay. With a $50 mini.
Alright.
These are all nickels, by the way.
I can't hear the music, so just
there is no music. Well, there's music, but we can't. Yeah.
Tiny little bit.
I heard that.
I heard psh. Like that. I heard that.
You heard that?
I want to hear the loud sound with the major.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
Don't be shy now. There you.
Oh, keep dropping those pearls. Pearl. Oh no.
Saw the minor for $2.50.
Gotta save it, honey.
Yeah, I know. Don't be shy, machine.
Yeah, bring a pearl.
Just throw those balls out there. Pearls.
Pearl.
Throw it out there.
Aw.
No.
But still, you got $50 mini on a $1.25 bet, so. And another one that's $5.
11 to 15. 4 away from the grand.
Nice. Look at that.
Very nice.
$75 on a $1.25. That's good. That's a good win. And a coin show, and it says winner.
And the coins say aristocrat on them.
Oh, they do. Cool. Okay, speeding it up. Here we go. Now we had, what did we start with?
We started with...
Oh, with 20 over there, but we had 10 over here.
Yeah.
And we were just doing 50 cents at first, and then I put in some free play, and we changed it to nickels, and we won. So, do backup soon. Okay. We'll be back if we get anything else. Arkansas, Dragon Link, there's the progressives, got the hold and spin on nickels, $1.25 back. See if we can get one of those progressives. Thanks. Can you give me another ball? Come on, do it. Oh.
Alright.
Welcome back. Okay, we're still here. I got the free spin bonus on the same bet. Nickels, $1.25. Let's see what we can do. Can we get the bonus in the bonus? 3 more. 3. Oh, not nice. That's something. No retriggers. Oh, no. Oh no, last spin. Oh, I got 9s at least. But still, this is not good. Come on, we need balls. More balls, yes! 2. That saved us. We didn't even have 10 times our bet yet. That's a good one right there. Let's see more big ones. Oh, I saw that miner go by. It's $10.50 for the miner. Come on, more balls.
You did make a comment on
Come on, find a ball. Uh-oh.
Where's the major?
Just like that, a bonus bummer turned into a pretty good bonus. Almost 50 bucks. Want to do backups?
Nice. Back up. Something good?
No.